Hello guys and welcome back to our interview type question for practice series. So today's question is, how many fully differentiated cells are typically formed by the division of one stem cell? So guys, this has been taken in the lecture in the Cooper summary series, but still, I mean, it's really very interesting to know and it is good also. So let's solve this question. So for one stem cell, actually when divides, it gives you one daughter cell and it goes for the self renewal, right? And that's how it maintains its own population. So whatever you get over here, the daughter cell, now this daughter cell is going to further divide. So it is going to divide further and gives you two copies. So first generation में आपको एक stem cell मिलता है, एक daughter cell मिलती है, ठीक है? Then in the second you get actually two. Okay, then in the second generation get, then further it gives you the another two, from each you get two copies of the daughter cells. Now on the third generation, see these fours are and finally known as the transit amplifying cells, ठीक है? Now these are the cells, they come in between the stem cell and the differentiated cell. अब क्या होगा, transit cells जो रहेंगे, they will go for further division and give you from 4 transit amplifying cells you're going to get 8 cells, and these 8 will finally mature to become the differentiated cell. So from this we understand that now one stem cell will give you 4 transit amplifying cells, finally will give you 8 differentiated cells. Okay, so now you can get the answer that how many fully differentiated cells are formed. It is around 8 you get from one stem cells. So अभी आपके पास 10 stem cells है, so you can calculate accordingly कि आपको कितने differentiated cells मिलेंगे. Okay, so yeah, so I hope this was interesting for you guys. बहुत ही simple था. Please remember how the stem cells are dividing. Okay, so till then, take care guys. I hope you're enjoying this interview series.